Devil nagpakita sa TV talk show para magpa-interview. Ayan o. Yung bata na ito, sinasapian siya ng devil. So, yung talk show host, in-invite siya doon sa talk show. Kasi bumababa yung ratings and he wanted na magkaroon ng ratings at magkaroon ng pasabog doon sa segment. So, tinawag nila yung devil para pumasok sa katawan ng bata para ma-interview at makausap ang devil. Kaya naging halimaw yung mukha niya at nag-transform to this. And they were trying to get the devil out at para bumalik yung girl. Pero the devil wanted to give them a show and wreak havoc na nagulat rin yung mga audience. So ayan dito, na-shock rin yung mga audience kasi naghasik ng lagim yung devil. Because of course, kapag tawagin mo yung demonyo, things are gonna go crazy. 'Di ba? You can just call him and then sabihin mo, okay, alis ka na. 'Di ba? They're crazy.